Hey everybody, it's Cindy McMahon with Hunt Real Estate. I'm here to talk with you today about a downsizing seminar that I'm hosting on Sunday at the Sand Lake Town Library. We also have a couple others coming up, and you can check those out at our website. It's called gotcindy.com, and you can get more information there. Or you could always call or text me, of course. Downsizing is one of those issues that is very difficult to tackle on your own and without support. And by downsizing, I mean decluttering, general tidying up. You might be watching a show called The KonMari Method on Netflix, I believe it is, about decluttering and kind of running an organized life. And most of us struggle with that because we're so damn busy. But maybe you're thinking about selling your home. Maybe you're not thinking about selling your home. Maybe your kids have left the home and you want to use rooms for different purposes. But in some way, shape, or form, you're thinking about clearing things out. You're feeling like you just have too much stuff in your life, but you don't really know where to begin. We are here to help you with that. We have lots of ideas. We have lots of fun tips to get you started in the downsizing realm and to try to get your life a little bit more organized and to stop the madness when it comes to so much stuff, and ways to tackle, you know, maybe a spouse who wants to hang on to things and you want to get rid of things, and ways to tackle the things that your children who've grown up and left the house have left in your house for you to deal with. And maybe you have a relative who needs to sell or move into a assisted living facility, and they have a lot of things that you have to try to sort through. So we have answers, tips, suggestions, and most of all, fun and camaraderie. And we'd love to see you at the Town of Sand Lake, that's in Averill Park Library, on Sunday. That's this Sunday at 1:30. So come. If you have any questions, give us a call, 518-496-1299. That's my cell phone. You can call or text me, or like I said, go to the website, gotcindy.com. Have a great afternoon. Take care.